This is just a short video clip on using a range name in a vlookup function instead of cell references. Let's quickly review the vlookup function as it is traditionally done. A vlookup function has three mandatory parts with one optional part. The first part is the lookup value. This is the value that the function will use to search through an array to find a certain element that is located in a specified column within that row. The second part is the table array. The table array is the group of cells that vlookup uses to pull a specific component and then assign it back as the answer or the solution to the function itself. Note the dollar signs. Think of these as small anchors. This assures that the cell references do not increase when copied down, but will remain constant. The third part of the vlookup is the column index number. This part tells the function how many columns to move over to copy the value that satisfies the argument in the vlookup. The fourth part of the function is optional and is either true or false. True, meaning that an exact or an approximate match is allowed. False requires an exact match. So now we have reviewed the vlookup function. But as stated above, the purpose of this video is to show how to use a range name instead of cell references. So let's create a name range. Go to the location that would be the table array area in the vlookup. Highlight the entire area and then click into the name box. You can name it anything you wish, but we'll go ahead and name this one Data Range Area. Now let's come back to the vlookup sheet. In the formula, replace the table array area A1 through E8 with the table array area name range. Copy the formula down and it works great. This means that you can copy the table array area anywhere and it will work. This is why I like using name ranges, because you don't have to list the sheet that you're pulling it from, nor do you have to use the dollar signs to anchor the locations. It makes vlookups a little easier to create. I hope you've enjoyed this little video, and thanks for watching.